गुड मॉर्निंग जेंटलमैन। मेरा सबको प्रणाम। टुडे वी आर विथ अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स, ergonomics and individual productivity. First and foremost, you will be eager to know what is the ergonomics. It is a scientific method to study the work efficiency at the place of work, which helps to increase the productivity of the individual concerned in the days to come, in the times to come. Basically, big organization, blue chip organization, big corporates, they exercise this kind of the survey. They make this kind of the study. This study process is to appoint basically professional doctors who are having hands-on exposure in the study of the gesture and posture of individual while working the job, while discharging their duties. What is the nutritious food system in the organization? Most probably being served through a canteen. Ergonomics makes the study of all these things. Doctors comes in the civilian dress to your organization. They study the people externally, seeing how he is sitting on chair, where his legs, how he is resting back of the chair, how he is putting his hands on the table, how and how far from he is interacting with the computer desktop, and so on. So they make the very deep study. कुछ लोग अपने साइज से ज़्यादा का चेयर ले लेते हैं। टेबल का हाइट ऊपर हो जाता है, चेयर का हाइट नीचे हो जाता है, चेयर का हाइट ऊपर हो जाता है, डेस्क का हाइट नीचे चला जाता है. सो हाउ यू वर्क and 8 hours without resting your hands on the desk or without taking the support back of the chair, you cannot function. Otherwise there will be pain. There will be pain. Ribs, bones will pain. And you can see that lot of job related disease are developed. May be related to your spines, ribs, bones. And many people you will see that they are putting the gaddi in between chair and his posture. Why? Because not comfortable. So these doctors, they come, they see that what kind of the how your neck and upper portion should be, how your shoulder and hands should be, how your neck down to abdomen should be, how your butt and down to toe should rest and should be aligned. In short, what should be your standard gesture and posture while working on day-to-day basis? If you have been given desktop on the top of table, then what gesture posture? And if you have been given only desktop, tabletop, then how should be your gesture and posture? What kind of the chair has been provided to you, and what is the impact on the body? If you are in pain during the work, स्पॉन्डिलोसिस, कंप्यूटर पे काम करने वालों को हमेशा तकलीफ होता है. If you are in pain whole time, how you will prove your proficiency? How you will do it? It may not be possible to give your best to the organization, whereas organization is expecting best out of you. So ergonomics says that make the study of each individual efficiency, proficiency while on the job because of the gesture, posture and sitting arrangement, and guide them to acquire this kind of the situation, this kind of the working style, this kind of the facing, and thus remain painless and give your best. Same time, it studies the nutrition system. Even going below, which kind of water you using for the tea. Big corporates go this kind of the study also to grab the full potential of the organization coupled with the individual productivity. What is your age? There is the counseling system from the doctor. You take green tea, you take milk tea, you take black tea. Why? Because of the age. What is the level of energy is being generated in your body, and what is level of energy is required, which is the obstacle to generate the energy which is troubling you, which is minimizing your proficiency on the individual productivity. So stop it and take those things which are accelerating your proficiency and efficiency. So in canteen, what hygiene system is maintained? सोडा डाल करके दाल बनाया जा रहा है, इस लेवल तक जा करके चेक करते हैं. सोडा परमिटेड है या नहीं परमिटेड है, इस पे भी स्टडी और रिस्ट्रिक्शंस आते हैं. चपाती में कौन सा तेल इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, विच ब्रांड ऑफ ऑयल इज बीइंग यूज्ड टू कुक द वेजिटेबल, हाउ राइस इज बीइंग बफ्ड, व्हाट इज द cleanliness, sanitation in the canteen at the place of work, at the place of food where has been assigned to take your lunch. Which brand of biscuit people are being served. So these very small, out of my experience I am talking to you, so I am going level to the biscuit also. It is not that any biscuit and any brand will be served to the employee. In the organization who are ergonomics alert and aware people, they respect the ergonomy, their process, their system, their things, and they appoint the doctor, hidden doctor in civil dress. They make the study, they submit the report, and policies are being changed. Maybe canteen policy, food grain policy, and moreover gesture and postures policy. Audit. Trust me, there is the audit out of the ergonomics being run on the regular basis. Dr. Srivastava was counseled to sit like this, sit on this chair, height of chair and tabletop distance, height should be this, according to the height of the Dr. Srivastava, then he should sit only on that. So, ergonomics, as they imply welfare, as they imply wellness, can be added in that those chapter. Ergonomics policy is required to be developed by the head of the HR, and continuous training program should be in flow. Continuously there should be training program, and toka-toki to the employee, in which gesture and posture he is sitting or she is sitting, he should be, भाई आप बताए हुए नहीं चल रहे हो, बताए हुए गेस्चर पोस्चर पर नहीं चल रहे हो, आपके बॉडी में पेन होगा, आप कैंटीन में झगड़ा करते हो कि हमें मस्टर्ड ऑयल नहीं, हमें कोकोनट ऑयल चाहिए, फिर आपको ये प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे, हेल्थ हजार्डस में होगा और आपकी प्रोफिशिएंसी इफिशिएंसी वर्क प्लेस पे कम होगी, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इंडिविजुअल प्रोडक्टिविटी, individual concerned person's productivity will go down, then who will be responsible for that? Now, management science says that productivity linked remuneration should be there. What is that? Productivity linked remuneration. I have read, I have gone through when I was pursuing my MBA in 1986-88. It was taught that remuneration is not just to be given in the basket. अच्छा आप डॉक्टर श्रीवास्तव हैं, ओहो आपने PhD किया है, ये ले जाइए भाई, आप इतने 50 लाख का पैकेज लेके जाइए आप, क्योंकि आप डॉक्टर हो. नो, व्हाट इज योर कैपेसिटी, व्हाट इज योर प्रोडक्टिविटी projected, and what is the productivity after audit noticed by these doctors, reported to the management. Based upon that, the salary package will be redefined, redesigned and rationalized, so that what you are giving to company as a productivity per day basis, according to that, commensurating to that should be your remuneration. So ergonomics at large talks about the individual efficiency, proficiency at the workplace, and in turn for the management productivity, if it is going up, then salary also will go up, promotion will also go up, and if it is the proficiency is going down, efficiency of the person at the workplace is going down, then everything will go down commensurating to that. It's a very simple funda, big funda, and big corporate, they are managing their affair as far as individual productivity and remuneration linked to the productivity is concerned. I am tempted to talk much on this, but time limitation is there. Time is not permitting me to say something better than what I have. But if you are joining my seminar full-fledged for full day, opportunity may come that I may be talking and you may be hearing. Thank you very much. Thank you for your kindness to hear patiently. Jai Hind.